When is the fetal heart detected on Doppler? A. Fetal heart rate is detected at 10 to 12 weeks. B. Fetal heart rate is detected at 4 to 6 weeks. C. Fetal heart rate is not detected until 20 to 22 weeks. D. Fetal heart rate is not detected until 16 weeks. The correct answer is A. Fetal heart rate is detected at 10 to 12 weeks. Explanation. The best answer is A, but remember that fetal heart rate can be detected earlier, by 5 to 6 weeks. Fetal heart rate is a sensitive indicator of the well-being of the baby during growth and development.